Hi guys, today we'll talk about this important examination and its name is TOEFL. And every student who wants to go to US or any European country or Australia, he has to take this examination. So this examination is a must. And what is the full form of this examination? You will see. This is Test of English. Test of English as a foreign language. And it's divided into 4 parts. One is listening, second is speaking, third is writing, and fourth is reading. So if you want to excel in this examination, it is a must that you master all the 4 sections. The total marks is 120. And if you ask me what is a good score in TOEFL, I would say anything above 110 is a good score. So we say 110 or we say 120. You can get a perfect score in TOEFL. For this it is necessary that you understand American accent and how English is spoken in America. Because there is a difference between the British accent, the European accent and the American accent. So first is the listening part. You will be given certain audios and then your questions are asked. And after hearing those videos, you have to answer those questions. Then you have got a speaking section. Topics are given to you. It may be a 1-minute topic or it may be a 2.5 minutes topic. So you have to speak on that. And then writing tasks are there. You will be given 2 writing tasks. And you have to write an essay about 150 words and about 175 words. So you should have excellent writing skills. And then of course the reading part. You have to read that paragraph and then answer those questions. So I repeat again, the total marks for TOEFL, Test of English as a foreign language, is 120. And I must say, if you are attempting for a Ivy League like Harvard, Stanford, Yale, Cornell, then go for a perfect score. I would say anything above 110 is a perfect score. So if you are attempting to get admission to MIT, or the Harvard, or the Stanford, or even in UK, the best universities in UK like Oxford, Manchester, then you need a perfect score. Test of English as a foreign language is also compared to IELTS. But this exam is generally taken for the institutes if someone is going to Europe or especially UK. So this is the International English Language Testing Services. But since this batch is more interested in TOEFL, so we'll be talking about TOEFL. I think all of you are English speaking and it will take about 1.5 to 2 months to train you in all these 4 sections. And see that you get a very good practice in all these 4 sections, and then only you register for the TOEFL part. So in my next class, I'll be showing you some audios, and you have to listen to those audios, the American accent, and then questions will be there. We will also, after mastering all these 4 topics, we will take practice tests, online tests, and we will see whether you are ready to give that exam or not. So we'll be here. This batch is here for the next 1.5 to 2 months. And so we'll enjoy a lot also. Plus, I want a perfect mastery and excellence in this examination. Then only you will go to give the actual examination. Okay, thank you so much.